This session was supposed to start at 9 o'clock. I have received a mail that subsequently it got changed to 10, which I was not informed, and I was the first vacancy to start with. Okay. I received a message last night saying that Pandeyji is picking up at 8:30. Okay. I got out of the building at 8:30. Up to 9 o'clock, I was standing outside the building. There was nobody. I hopped into a cab and came. After I was halfway through, I got a call from somebody saying that you get down from the cab, I will come and pick you up because I have already reached your building. Now here there is lack of faith, breakdown of faith. So I said no, and carrying on my cab, I came here. Okay. And after reaching here, the place was being swept. That means that is the first activity in the morning. So I said 9 o'clock, at 10:15 it is being swept. Okay, these are the concerns. These are not criticism, these are observations. I think we need to cover a lot of gap between what we talked about and what we consistently deliver. Okay. That's an observation. And normally when I start a presentation, in order to know at what level I should pitch it at, I normally ask the background of people, whether they come from a finance background or
Are you willing to listen something or only speak?
Sorry.
Are you willing to listen? Because I am also willing to listen. So what happened?
So
Can we
I
ask
was-
him?
So I was following him Pandeyji. Morning में भी मैंने phone किया.
No, but when 9 o'clock is the time, that was my concern also, that I had a communication that 9 o'clock sir is coming. Not only is that, because he wanted to complete it by 3:34, that was our conversation initial. Now I got the SMS or call, something at 8:30 Pandeyji is reaching. Something I knew. Why 8:30? If 9 o'clock is the program, then why 8:30? That is one. Second, if 10 o'clock has happened, then why the main person who is supposed to deliver, how he is not informed?
He would know how long it would take. You fixed it that 9 o'clock. 8:30 if he picks up, he'll come. You cannot reach in half an hour in the morning.
No, what happened? By that time he was clear that it will start at 10 o'clock, something like that. Therefore 9:30 you did that.
9:30.
9:30 you thought. With thought and happening and communication, there is a lot of gap. Like yesterday, where I am responsible, is yesterday we have started at around 11 o'clock. Program 10:30 or 11. And then somewhere I got indulged in the conversation that this venue we are doing for the first time, and based on the people's physical, this thing, I have allowed myself as well as not happen. So
it was 10 o'clock. Yesterday when you declared, it said we will start at 10. Not 10:30 or 11 or anything like that. There was a specific time called 10 o'clock. We were here at 10 o'clock.
So again, here my authenticity was 10 o'clock, but inside of me is that even if it is 10:30, it is alright. So that is where my responsibility is, and I apologize for that. That I was not present to that 10 o'clock it will start. Because yesterday I started at 10:30, 11. I now do better. So that is where I take responsibility.
First learning that I think we should take is the faculty, and at least the one who is going to start it
deliver.
should know exactly at what
time it is.
And I have one thing to detest. Dependence on SMS, and everybody is so aware that they only watch SMS. It's an avoidance of confrontation. SMS is an avoidance of confrontation. Everything has to be communication, means let it get into conversation. And if you say, I sent you an SMS, he says, I didn't receive it. Who's right? You will say, I am right, I sent you. You will say, I am right, I didn't get it. Then all nonsense, this SMS business is nonsense. Unless somebody responding you back, okay. Otherwise, one-sided conversation, thinking that the world knows everything about what you think. Anybody for that. And with every SMS, I always find that I communicate immediately, okay, I got it. Why? Because the other person has to know that I have read it. And it is lying in my mobile is closed for 12 hours, and suddenly when I open there is an SMS which is coming. What are we talking about? Communication, this bloody world is stuck with communication. Complete mess up is communication.
Because normally, what I would do is, if I am told that this should be done, I would try to ensure, because it's my responsibility. I called you at 9 o'clock to say that आधे घंटे से बाहर खड़ा हूँ और बंदा नहीं आया. That's the point. Okay.
Also, I am responsible in the sense that last night I got a call from Pandey, and I remembered in the morning. Last night I was suffering from headache and all. So I called him in the morning. He didn't pick up the call. Some communication might have been. So again, I see the communication between me and driver also. Pandey.
If you don't attend the phone, then the world stops. If you don't attend the phone, the world stops in this organization. Yesterday we were talking about delegation and holding on to. What are the two words? Anybody who can tell me? What are the two words that are?
Delegation.
No. The two distinctions of accountancy. What kind of?
Centralization and decentralization.
Simple. Everything is anchored around Naveen, and Naveen is out of communication because he did not pick up the phone. Finish.
No, but I have delegated my role.
See, what is the end result, Naveen? It's an escape route of saying, it's not responsible way of living. I delegated and nobody delivered is not acceptable.
No, I'm not saying that. I am looking for the excess.
See, the
That,
point I'm making is, you did not pick up and Pandey did not pick up. And he communicated through SMS, he did not get. What is this? And you said 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock means 10 o'clock. If we have to talk about integrity all the time, better be here at 10 o'clock. And you say it is probably I will start at 10, 10:30, 11 o'clock. No, that was not a communication. It is a disrespect, complete disrespect. Not acceptable. There is a mess in this organization, and I am telling you very clearly, nobody knows what is the other person going to do. And Pandey, we are depending on somebody who is giving you services, but you are not certain that is a person whom you can rely upon. He has to rely upon his boss, and his boss would have given him some duty, and you would call him, and he has some other duty. He will not say, "Oh, नहीं अभी मैं देखता हूँ, manage करता हूँ." Even he has family or he has his own concern. But one Pandey cannot be running for everything in this organization. What is the setup? Not acceptable. Even I was thinking, should I, because they are coming from Mahim or Prabhadevi, I would probably, come together. But I said, no, it's better to be independent because I want to be responsible. I am right now at Chandivali. So, it was one of the background for people, we could spend some time together, half an hour at the car. But the fact is, reliability, there is no reliability. You know what is the term talking about? If you said it, it will happen. That reliability, I don't have. Every time I confront it, I say, keep it. I am the clearing for that particular thing to happen, but once if I say, yes, we have to be on time, irrespective of where, what, when, all very excuses full of nonsense about how you can justify your own self. Bullshit. There is absolute non-integral action is very prominent everywhere. There is no integrity. You are talking about management? No, I am not happy with this management at all. Why would I take something out to the world when I don't know how to manage myself? No. Everything else is fine. Every other knowledge is fine. But personal management? Big zero. My organizational management, big zero. Somebody is coming here, the setup is not ready. Who is supposed to take charge of it? Nobody. Everybody is walking like a VIP at 10 o'clock. Well, you people came to Shahpur. Was I there one day before? Did you feel there is nothing ready? I take charge. Why? I want to be responsible. Here, who's taking charge? Who's responsible? No. 10 o'clock, nothing is ready. Somewhere someone is gone. Now, right now you ask for an assistant, you nobody has an assistant. How can you talk about a kind of transformation in the world? India developed? Good. We are not developed here. How can I accept? What do I take back? I'm not taking back anything. All the jargon is fine. But that doesn't, it's like Malai market. Are you getting what I'm saying now? It's for each one of us. We are cheating ourselves. Absolute cheating. And talk about integrity big time. No way. If I am also a faculty, I have come from outstation. Nobody knows what is my provision, where am I supposed to be, how am I supposed to be. It's not acceptable, it's not me. Somebody knows that I am responsible is one part of it, but nobody knows where it was to. Somewhere in China. But fact is, how are we managing our existence? It's not about a complaint, it's about the way to look at things. What is providence in our life? There is no providing. It's all about taking at any cost. Will not work. It will collapse on your face, take, attack. Alright, sir.
You remember I had made a request for a tripod stand with the lighting?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I am projecting this here and there is a whiteboard. So I have nowhere to write. So how
Whiteboard is there, but it is not on the tripod.
that's yeah, but I don't know whether I should able to.
Yeah.
I should not fall because I'm used to that. If I, bar, I'm making the irritation of myself.
Because see, it will show up in the space. Right now I'm telling you, that, if I were to deliver, I will just walk out because
Yes, please.
I'm not in any way. And what will come out is upset only. Unless that upset is clear, actually there will be no transformation of any education. Education, yesterday I said, is not about you throwing something and I picking up something and going and saying that I have done PMBA. No, that is not the PMBA which I talk about. So unless the upset is clear, what's the point? And I have seen his anger. He was profusely angry.
Anger and upset, I think we have not discussed.
That is not important. Naveen, now don't get into the jargons, please.
Okay.
Get into the bottom line of what is the providing.
Okay.
We have to respect somebody who is come as a faculty and is the first speaker, and what we have provided, I say we is because as an organization. And yes,
See,
you have the right to get
I
angry.
think I have communicated, but I think I have not communicated effectively. See, I wanted to say that this program, 14, 15, 16, my intention was to take myself away from providing and allow the team to take over. That was my intention.
So declare the team, please.
Yeah, and I had a, Dr. Mrinalini and Rahul as the team, and I depended on you. And however, I have not trained enough, that what can come up. what can come up. Somewhere the communication was lack of communication was on that side also. Like because I could see yesterday you were upset. In your body language and this things. Again, I take responsibility for that upset. In a sense that I have not communicated that this program is different than what is usually happening on the accounting or economics or finance side. The transformation is something that is so important for the whole education system. That is the background of that. And I think I have not grounded sufficient input on that you can expect anything, be ready for anything. So whatever happened yesterday, or input or something which was completely out of box, different than what we usually do in the lecture or the and it is all right to be that, being with because it has never happened. It's happening, and there will be many loopholes and many gaps that will come. And the basic premise on which I am operating is that most of the people who are here have undergone the first semester. So there is nobody who has not been in the first semester. And in the first semester we have done sufficient ground on the working of what it takes to cause such conversation to happen. For example, we have discussed there is nothing wrong, nothing right, nothing good, nothing bad. We have discussed 100% responsibility. We have discussed how to restore integrity. We have discussed how not to go into guilt tunnel. Now, those things will come up, that whether we have grounded ourselves together on all the distinctions or not. So those things will come up, and that is going to come. And only mastery in those things will save the program, like the delivery of it. So it is inside of me and my team that we take every opportunity of improvement inside of that, instead of getting into something is wrong here or something is wrong there. These fundamental things are not clear, and if we blame others instead of owning up responsibility,
So
we can't.
who's owning up right now?
I have owned up already.
I didn't get that.
Okay.
I didn't get that.
I owned up. I said that
I said I didn't
I'm
get
responsible. Okay. So
that.
I'm
Even in that being that I'm responsible, I'm not getting it. Okay. I told you physical space is missing in you. Pre-warned, pre-told. And you could have done so many other things. But here the point is not about good, bad, right, wrong. It is about what works, what doesn't work. And we are addressing what doesn't work. So listen from what is not working. And not from somebody breaking you. Or somebody calling this bad and this right and this wrong and this good and all that. What is not working, let us address that. Completion is all about that. If we are saying everything is fine the way it is, let it go the way it is. The world is also fine the way it is. India developed is also fine the way it is. Non-developed is also fine the way it is. There is nothing right, nothing wrong, nothing good, nothing bad, nothing wrong, nothing right. Everything is fine. Where are we coming from? We have to come from some context. And if you say, we have to learn to accept it. But I talk about, I'm committed to deliverance. If I'm not committed to deliverance, I have no right to stand. Can you say, I forgot everything today, so let us have some fun, and it's okay? Not okay. You may say, that's wrong. You are right. So is it working? Is the present scenario working or not working?
Not working.
Simple.
Even I own the responsibility. 9 o'clock was shifted to 10 o'clock, which was not communicated to him. because yesterday night when we discussed, it was a simple phone call that if we would have given him, that would have sorted out all these.
And I made it a point to ask you
Yes.
loud enough, saying that we are meeting at 10 o'clock. You
Yes.
said yes, 10 o'clock. Then where is the 10:30 and 11 o'clock? I have no idea. No flight on this planet waits because somebody thought. It flies because it said so. Nothing right, nothing wrong, nothing good, nothing bad. It is flawed. Go. Gone. Next flight, fine. चल रहा है. वो भी चल रहा है. Good. So, I say, for me, leadership is about bringing forth rigor into setting it up straight system. Otherwise, no system is also a system. That's also good.
It will not work, and as you said, it will collapse on the face.
Yeah, it is good.
So let's place our sincere apology to Ramji sir.
No.
Apology is whatever is the miscommunication which has happened.
No, I'm not-
I learned something from him. If you feel inside, get the damn thing out and move on.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So
Let's
that's why I
do
said
that.
this is not criticism, it is observation. I have to get it out. And he read my face. I didn't even have to talk.
No.
He read my
We
face
all
and he
felt
said,
it. Yeah.
I'm
yeah.
blind, I can't see.
Yeah, it's difficult for him.
Sensed. He shook my hand.
Right.
He sensed the being
Right.
of yours.
And the thing is, okay.
Now let's move. I think yes. Right.
Let it happen. See, let the
Let
completion
the
happen.
completion happen.
Otherwise, believe me, whatever is thrown from there now will not go inside of any one of us because we are already in a conversation. Unless this is clear.
Actually,
nothing
the
will-
program is happening, by the way, for everybody. Just to tell you, program is on. It's not what he speaks there; it's what he is listening to.
See, you listen to a conversational exchange. It was a beautiful summary of what we went through last week.
Absolutely.
That's it. I didn't have the heart to interrupt, although I'm basically a very impatient guy. Okay. But I didn't because this was coming in as I won't get another opportunity for a quick summary of what happened, and it was coming out now. I said, fine, I'll take it.
It's the part of your program. That's what you wanted.
Sir, can I bring forth one distinction that will make things easy? Can you put this up and put the board on?
ये इसको switch off कर दीजिए ना.
Switch off करके board को on.
Are they in integrity at work?
No.
हाँ? नहीं चलता अभी छोड़ो काम पे लगो. But still, the human design, the mind doesn't work that. It takes time to clean up. Somebody cleans up immediately. Somebody takes a longer time. But if you don't have the tool, you have. Then we'll say that we are delivering, but you are actually inside of your conversation. How do you do that? He is already in a trip. You will miss on him. Yeah, you will miss on him because they are in a conversation. Somewhere they are not here. As a typical lecturer, I would just deliver. What you have taken, it's your problem, not my problem. But as a transformation person, I am here to see that you are taking home. But take home the bucket of clean. Am I right? Yes, ma'am?
Yes.
What's your upset? Don't worry about right, wrong, good, bad. छोड़ो वो फंडास नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ मैं क्या है तो निकालो जब तक खाली नहीं होगा तब तक आगे कुछ नहीं बढ़ेगा
मेरे को लगता है एक दो कॉल मेरे को करना होगा to become empty.
Absolutely. So first attend it. Take the permission of the room. Before that, we can take 10 minutes break. Why? Right now you can think that this is wasting time. But actually the restoration is so important that what would have taken 2 hours would compile and compress into half an hour and everybody will get it. Invariably we actually resist saying that no, let's go to the subject. फिर वहाँ क्या होगा? Yes. इधर क्या चल रहा है? You know, we have simple thing is, now what is this? How much time is wasted in this? Simple and justification. But I am saying just become in this we cannot transform India, we cannot transform any human being.
Not even self.
Self, nothing. What am I talking about?
Be a cause.
Be a cause. If you are able to be a cause, you will impact everything around you. Because I lost time, I go fast, messed it. Because I am late, I'll hurry up, messed it. And remember, most of our actions are coming from here. Check it out. Take 10 minutes. See what are we doing to our own life, rather than anything else.
Can I also make a call?
Now, each one of you will take 10 minutes.
On this you are
Completely.
saying? Complete you are saying or do exercise? What you are saying?
1 minute. First thing is this established? Is anyone having a question on this? Rahul?
I have a question that
Yeah.
whether everyone has got, everyone, Ajay, Mohan, like everyone has got, it is as a, that somewhere I am responsible for the cause. I am responsible for anything that is happening. That's I want to hear from everyone. क्या ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो भी चीज हो रही है उसमें कहीं ना कहीं हम रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं?
But I have to get that from you also.
I told you I am responsible. In any case, this. Let me, if you have not got it, is that anything and everything that is happening, and it is once for all. I am saying, because most of the people who are here are the team. So it may come up again and again, and whenever this will happen, it may not be in the time front, maybe in some other front, where there is any breakdown happening anywhere, I am 100% responsible.
So how do you address breakdown?
Breakdown is like whatever has been committed and communicated, whatever has been the promise. If there is any breakdown in the promise, that communication, that word.
No, breakdown is after everything has happened. That is what is called breakdown.
Okay.
It's not before. After everything has happened, we are talking about because. Now, all that we have to understand is there is something which we are not in integrity with because we are not being a cause there, and breakdown is bound to happen because most of our life is in manipulation. Most of our life is in manipulation. Simplicity is not there. So integrity absolutely comes down. If you want to understand,
Actually,
So
I
one
see
thing
that
I want to ask
communicate.
you, sir.
Okay.
I told that driver to go to sir and pick up, and he was every night. And in the morning when I was started coming here, I called him and he told me that yeah, he is going. Okay, now I was in the train. Okay, at the same time train was so crowded, I was not picking the phone. I have not space to
Are you
pick
talking
the phone.
about because are you being a cause?
No, I am just.
I'm asking you, distinguish.
Let me communicate a little bit, and you can communicate that. I was communicating
that how I am being a cause. Say for example, yesterday I was like suffering from headache, and I didn't have even the power to talk to you. That condition was so bad, and I am responsible for that. That I am not taking care of my health. And
Is that the real, real truth?
yeah, that is actually I don't know. As far as I am like, can I complete what is so for me? And if only I would have requested you, like Rangasab, take the space in consideration. One request might have been sufficient.
Obviously.
And I didn't communicate that. Inside of अभी तो बात ही करने की स्थिति में नहीं हूँ. या फिर उनको कैसे looking good was he is all the way from Pune and already in such a stretched situation. Like he will be going in the night to himself and everything. So whatever has happened, that was I was dealing with, and I didn't communicate that please hold the space for tomorrow. So that is where I see the lack of communication on my part. And I agree with you when you say communication is the best for whole country and certainly for us, each one of us.
We have the country here. Now forget about the whole country. I say all the time, don't talk about India development. The mess is here. Communication is here.
So I can see that the communication, that one-line communication, even that I didn't do. And for that, no reason is there. Headache is not asking me to stop saying one line. Like I will not be in a position to, take the situation in my hand. And I didn't communicate. I could clearly see that.
Okay.
That's where I see the responsibility of mine as a cause in the matter. So I didn't find that somebody is taking care of the space for today. I neither delegated nor hold the space with me.
Exactly.
So that's where I am responsible.
So all the confrontation from yesterday is happening inside of you and me. That is what is causing the headache. We are not looking at, I have an headache. Because of headache, rest of the things are being spoken about. The fact is, what has caused it is something we need. You are in train, you are in plane, you are walking, talking. It's all nonsense. No, 1 minute Rahul, you are still coming from because. You know what, right now what you are doing is talking about because. Because I was in train, it was very crowded and I can't listen, I can't do, and I have told, everybody told everything, but what happened here is important. The end result is what you have caused. Remember always. The outcome is what you are clear about. The outcome is the level at which you are in integrity. The level of integrity will absolutely reflect as a mirror as outcome. Are you getting what I am saying? I delivered, you didn't take, it's your problem, not mine. Can we say that? You would have started the session. I said, come on, let's start. No waiting. And suddenly when we say, let's start, everybody comes in. That is called causing something to happen. I am taking off. Everybody. What do we do? This is how we have to transform our country by transforming self. If I would have said, let Naveen come, then what happens? You are actually giving Naveen enough time to go ahead and do what he wants to do.
Damage.
Just 30 seconds before, I said, no waiting, let's start. 10:06. The minute we said, currently. Then you will say, my entering was proper. No. I will say, I caused you to come here. Which is called, causing is ownership. The rest is all because it's an excuse. And reasoning. The more you give reason, the more is your level of integrity go down. And I am telling you again and again, time reflects on your face straight. It so happens that when you are in, it is 10 o'clock. Not I struggle to come at 10. When you are in, it is 10 mm. There is no effort there. So that is also a level of integrity. Bottom line, all the time we have to ask ourselves only one thing. What am I causing? And every thought, then let me put it very clearly, every thought of yours is going to the universe and coming back. Let us be very clear about this.
Could
And
you
you
sense
might-
the
You might
Ranga,
get,
could you sense the breakdown last night that it is going to happen today?
I know.
And what did you do about that?
Nothing. The breakdown has to happen. I don't have to protect a breakdown.
Okay.
The cause of breakdown has to happen for somebody to distinguish breakdown. Otherwise, the breakdown doesn't happen and nobody knows. Again, you are putting everything on the carpet. Today, this breakdown is showing up purely because there is nothing in the space. I own it up saying that the breakdown happened. Because that's the way I learn. If the breakdown is covered up, you will say everything is hunky-dory. Next time you come, it will be the same thing. Then what happens? When gada aayega, wo karega.
So,
Who's going to coordinate? I did not complete. I did not complete.
so,
1
okay.
minute. I mean, 1 minute. So breakdown is important for a breakthrough to happen. No breakthrough happens without a breakdown. Yeah, tell me.
So, you caused the breakdown.
You may
Inside,
blame- you may blame
not
me.
blaming, not blaming.
It's coming across.
I am saying now, I am saying you are establishing the distinction. Be a cause. He is establishing the distinction that how he has caused. He can say that. If I am saying he is doing it, that will be like imposing responsibility. I am not saying that.
So
I'm just
you
articulating-
can communicate
Yeah.
without that sentence called "you caused the breakdown." It's a wrong communication of information. Sir. That is not an integrity conversation, not empowering conversation, not enrolling conversation. Nothing. If you start your statement by saying that, so you caused the breakdown. How do you say that?
No, I am saying differently. Let me reframe.
Do it.
That if I am Ranga and I am saying that I have caused the breakdown such that the people get it, that the breakdown can't be swept under the carpet all along, and let the people learn that they can't keep on depending on one person to safeguard the breakdown all the time. And that's how I have caused it. So, like in every event that is happening, I can take, or any of us can take, as the responsibility of that. I wanted to communicate something. I hope you have got it. Any question if you have, you can say that.
One simple thing. I foresee breakdown. I don't cause breakdown. I have told you, I operate from future. Pre-warned, pre-told. Whenever I say something, it is pre-warned, pre-told, then you will say evidence.
But don't you think space is your job? Right?
No, it is not my job.
How come?
It is not my job. When
You
did you
know
assign
that
me the
space
job
is
of
your
space? When did you assign my job? I have asked you several times.
Pre-told, pre-warned. Space is your job.
That's an escape route. Naveen, hold on. There is no responsibility in the conversation. Let me be very frank about it. And let me tell you only one thing. Down. And this is your. You know what is this? Hmm? This is your grid. Magnetic grid. Every conversation has to go here and bounce back. It cannot go out here. I am giving you one big distinction, remember forever in your life. There is nothing going waste in this universe. No conversation, no word goes waste on this planet. Because what you communicate is going here, it cannot go beyond here. Gravity, law of attraction, name it any way. It has to come back. If I say my intention has gone here and hit here, it has become a right intention. Like we say, you caused the breakdown, so I threw breakdown in the space and the breakdown happened here. I am still the cause. So you will say what? He is very powerful, yeah? He can cause breakdown anywhere. Is it a conversation? One simple thing. Now can you own up everything that we speak is, it is going into the space and coming back. If it doesn't hit anywhere else, it will hit you back straight. What you are thrown has to come back. If the intentions are good, कहते हैं ना, दुआ लगती है तो हाय भी लगती है, कोई एग्जाम्पशन नहीं है कहीं भी. तो मैं कुछ भी करूं, इस पृथ्वी से बाहर सिर्फ यहां तक जा सकता है, इसके आगे नहीं. Can anything be waste? Am I talking something? Man, are you there? You are not there. Are you there? What am I talking about?
आज हम लोग कुछ भी अगर अपने माइंड से सोचते भी हैं तो वो अपने हिसाब से.
Exactly. So, what is the power of causing is thinking. How do you think? If you give excuses, your thinking is all about justifying. How will it come back? Everybody will do that to you. In the causality, you will cause that I will take no excuse. Believe me, I asked every time, I asked him also, if Prime Minister gives you a time, will you be there 5 minutes before? Or will you say anything else?
I will say something else also, if I have some other commitment.
If you are committed to be there at a particular time, if you are committed to be there at a particular time, will you be there?
If there is something really important,
That is an excuse.
No. Can I complete? And then I will communicate.
That is new agreement made.
Yeah.
I am talking about fundamental. The Prime Minister has called me, President of India has called me to take an award of a Nobel Prize at 10 o'clock. Will you be there? Why? Because he is causing war. For me, 10 is 10. You better be there.
Ranga, I didn't get the answer.
About?
The space, it is your responsibility.
You cannot tell me it is your responsibility. Ask me, can I be responsible?
You were, we had the
No, that is Shapur. My dear, here you invited me to.
everywhere.
Oh, no. Naveen, don't take an escape route, please. Not now. Don't tell me what is ownership. Don't tell me anything else. Shapur, you know nothing. Still, it is transformed because I own it up. Here, you are the master of this room. Better own it up. Don't tell me that I am responsible here. Okay? And if you tell me that, okay, you are responsible, I don't listen. Ask me, will I be? Yes.
Why don't you take for a space forever?
See, today that is a fresh conversation. Don't come there. You are taking a back route which I am not accepting. I bluntly refuse.
I agree that I
So-
have brought.
At least you know me.
Yeah.
I mean,
I have.
let's not get into manipulation. Straight talk.
Actually, you have asked several times that what is my role in this case.
Yeah.
And never ever I said that space is also your job.
Another thing that you have told me, which I will not forget, is that this is your winning formula.
Which one?
Space is my winning formula.
Okay.
Be very careful. Every word
No,
is
but how?
inside.
I don't remember. Therefore, I.
Exactly. So now I understand that where are we operating in this planet is from here. Everything that goes comes somewhere. Everything that you have said goes somewhere.
So the
If
revenge
it
you
doesn't
are
go,
keeping with yourself.
if it doesn't go, it will come back to you.
So is it the revenge that you are taking?
What did I say?
The space is winning formula. How does it make?
1 minute. What am I saying right now?
Okay.
Are you present to what I'm saying right now?
You said that whatever you will cause, it come or you utter.
It has to hit somewhere. If my intention is good, it will hit somewhere. If it doesn't go anywhere, it will come back to you. ब्रह्मास्त्र छोड़ा तो कहीं तो लगना है, वरना क्या होगा? It will come back to you.
Give some example, concrete example
Of,
this distinction.
I'm saying ब्रह्मास्त्र is an example. राम ने छोड़ा हुआ बाण वापस नहीं आता, कहीं तो लगना है उसको. कहीं नहीं लगा, it doesn't fit anywhere, it will come back to him.
How come?
Because it has to.
Why? It was never written in Ramayana or that it will come back to him.
I am causing Ramayana right now. Can you gain the distinction? Don't check my mythology. 1 minute. Mahabharata, somebody shot Brahmastra. And even today is suffering. Even today is suffering. Who is you know? Simple.
अश्वत्थामा के ब्रह्मास्त्र छोड़ा किसको किस पे
मैं तो
अर्जुन को
अर्जुन पे नहीं,
उसके बच्चे हो गए।
वो
वो तो डाइवर्ट कर दिए थे कृष्ण भगवान वहां पे गया छोड़े थे तो इसी अर्जुन के लिए
अर्जुन के परीक्षित को छोड़ा, बोले परीक्षित को मैं यानी ये वंश इधर ही खत्म करूंगा, तो उसे जो है वहां बचा है। बोले अब ये बाण कहीं तो जाना है, कहाँ जाए? बोले वापस बुला, बोले मेरे पास टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है to take it back. What happened? It went and hit him on the third eye. Even today he is suffering. Even today he is suffering. Because
He can't die. He is live forever.
Amar
with
hai.
that boon.
Amar hai. The boon has become a curse for him. Today he is asking for death.
Who?
Ashwatthama.
How do you know he is asking?
I don't know.
That's
It's
written
in
in
the-
Mahabharata. It's a story in Mahabharata.
That he
And even if you want to find out, you walk anywhere in Bihar, anywhere in UP, you go to Tamil Nadu right now, they will tell you that wherever he walks, he is thinking. Because that wound, he goes to so many of them asking, can you do something for this? So every word is a Brahmastra. वापस बुलाना पड़ेगा, या तो वो कहीं जाकर अटकेगा, नहीं तो मेरे पास।
I don't buy this story. Sorry.
I didn't ask you to buy it. It's a distinction. If you want to distinguish, fine. If it is not, it's still fine with me.
But
If you
I will
want not,
certainly go through the book, and when I will consider, I will see that
I
exactly.
accept. See, it's an example. Forget about Ramayana, forget about Mahabharata, forget about everything else. Whatever you throw in space has to either hit or it will come back.
I want to know whether it's spoken words or the thoughts that you have.
Thoughts also. The highest power on this planet is your imagination. The highest power on this planet.
So
is
I
imagination.
don't buy that Brahmastra will come back. I will buy. Hello, can I come? I will buy that anything that goes up comes back. And if inside of that anything, if Brahmastra is also something which comes back, I'm willing to.
I'm just using Brahmastra as an example. But you have to understand the impact of the word is a Brahmastra that we are using. It is as good as a Brahmastra, as powerful as Brahmastra.
3 most powerful.
Yeah.
Or
Sir, can I take 10 minutes break? I have to talk to somebody.
it all starts with
Everything is.
Thought,
Everything is a
word,
thought.
and
Deed.
deed, action.
Okay, take 10 minutes break. Make it from foundation to the bombastic words. Otherwise, it becomes like big knowledge.
Yeah. मैं यहाँ आपको impress करने नहीं आया. I have no desire to impress anybody. Okay, so I will take you on the basic simple and अगर आपको लगे कि यार मैं ये कैसे पूछूं, this sounds completely stupid, I want you to ask. Nothing is stupid. Nothing is crazy. Everything is normal. Okay, so it's fine. That is the groundwork. Okay. And the higher the number of times I use impressive words, the higher is the frequency of my telling you that I don't understand what I'm talking about. Life is simple. Simple चीजों के बारे में बात करेंगे. It becomes easy for you and me to be at the same level. Okay. So that is where I'm going to come from. And आप फिक्र न करें because I speak very, very slowly. Okay. So it will not be difficult for you. I'm sorry, I'm intruding into your
Oh, yeah.
10-minute break.
See, it's fine.
Exactly.
Have you encountered video department in our area?
Sorry, I'm late by 1 minute. I will take care.
Finance. We all talk about finance, whether it is in our business or in our personal lives. Especially over the last 20 years, personal finance is something which everybody is focusing on. What is finance? I have started an economic endeavor, a business, with a certain amount of money. And I wish to know after some time whether it has been profitable or not. ऐसे बने कि जो थे वो भी उड़े. I don't know. Okay. So, in order to understand whether your efforts have gone to producing something or not, is what finance is about. It may be given various names, like you're a finance manager, you're a management accountant, you're a chartered accountant, various names are given, but that's finance. But there is one step before. That one step before finance is called accounts. Finance is using accounts to arrive at decisions. But first you should have accounts. Okay. So there is always this dialogue, which is greater, accounts is greater, finance is greater. Okay, great. Each has its own role. Okay. So my sessions will be focusing first. If you have to be a good finance professional, you have to understand accounts. It has become more of a challenge today because accounting has been more or less taken over by computers. So you put in something, something comes out. So it becomes easy for you even to ignore it. But you cannot be a good finance person unless you understand what accounts is. Okay. That is what we will go with.
Very well said, sir.
Sorry?
Very well said. As a distinction, I am just listening to you.
And the very basics. What is accounting? What are the concepts? Everything in life has certain concepts. Okay. Then there are some master classifications. Okay. Then you call as, I spent so much money for this, I spent so much money for that. Okay. I spend money to arrange for lunch. I spend money to buy the laptop. These are two different things. How it matters. Okay. Then the basics accounting, the real account, personal account, nominal account. Then everything depends on documentation. It has to be put down on paper. Okay. And then after you do all this, you come to what are popularly referred to as financial statements. What are the financial statements we have all heard about? Profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow statement. So those will come there, but what goes before that? It's something which we need to. What is accounting? Accounting is a repository, okay, of all that any organization does, anything, okay, activities carried out must be finally reflected in money terms at the end of the day. It's all in money terms. And it cannot be anything other than these four. Either it is your income, or it is your expenditure, or you have bought an asset, or you have created a liability. Okay, that's all. At the end of it, just remember, accounting means income, expenditure,
Bought an asset,
or created a liability. That's it. Okay. One way or another, transactions find their way into accounting records of the company. One way or the other, you will always find it getting reflected in the books. Okay. Once you understand the nuances of accounting, it becomes easy to interact with your accounts department. Okay. You can perhaps speak their language, and this helps break the ice in your interactions with them. Okay. Now, why did I put this? Because most of the people, I designed this program for small businessmen who know how to do business, but who find their accountant to be a irritation. He comes and he talks about various things. See, what is this guy talking about? Number one. Second is for people who are mostly engineers, who are into marketing, supply chain, production management. They find it very difficult to deal with the accounting service. This is created for those people. Accounting appears complicated in the beginning, but it is not so. Why? It follows simple logic and some rules. Simple logic and some basic rules. Okay, so we will go through what those rules are. The basic and fundamental rules of accounting remain the same throughout from time immemorial. This is very important for us today, because I buy a Samsung Tab 3 2 months ago, and today I am told something has changed and all that. Life, everything is changing so fast that you don't